Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Creatina is probably one of the most popular supplements for anyone looking to boost muscle mass and enhance their workout performance. It's a naturally occurring compound that helps provide energy to your muscles, allowing you to lift heavier, train harder, and recover faster. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of creatine, exploring its benefits, how it works, and how to choose the right product for your goals. Number 5. Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This product provides a potent 5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate in each serving. It's designed to support your muscle size, strength, and overall power during workouts. This helps you achieve your fitness goals. The micronized formula ensures supreme absorbency, allowing your body to utilize it efficiently. This means you get the most out of every dose, maximizing its benefits for your muscles. It's a key ingredient for serious athletes. Optimum Nutrition is the world's #1 sports nutrition brand. This product is made by a brand you can trust. It's a reliable choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. This product undergoes banned substance testing, ensuring the highest quality. You can feel confident and safe knowing that what you're consuming meets strict standards. It's a product you can trust. Please note that the product does not include a scoop. You can use a standard teaspoon for accurate measurement. This ensures you're taking the correct dosage for optimal results. What we like. This creatine is from the world's #1 sports nutrition brand, ensuring top quality. It features supreme absorbency, meaning your body can make the most of each dose. If you are looking for a trusted brand with proven results and high quality, you should consider this. What people say. Creatina para aumentar la massa muscular. Creatina para aumentar la massa muscular. Number 4. Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder 500 g. This is a high-quality micronized creatine monohydrate. It's designed to help you achieve the strength and endurance you've been striving for. Each bottle contains 500 grams of this powerful supplement. It's perfect for both pre- and post-workout routines. Each serving provides 5 grams of creatine, and a scoop is included for easy measurement. This helps you get the right amount every time. This product offers an ultra-premium quality. Customers love it, and it's a great addition to any fitness plan. This supplement is a great way to boost your performance. Try it and see the difference it can make in your workouts. What we like. This creatine offers ultra-premium quality and includes a precise 5-gram scoop for easy use. It is designed to provide the strength and endurance you've been working towards. If you are looking for a convenient and effective creatine supplement, this is a great choice. What people say. The powder is micronized, which means it mixes easily into my post-workout shakes without any gritty texture. Each serving provides 5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate, and with 100 servings per container, it's a cost-effective option for long-term use. I've noticed improvements in my strength and recovery since I started using it, aligning with the benefits I've read about creatine supplementation. Number 3. MuscleTech Nitro-Tech Whey Protein. This product from MuscleTech supports muscle building, strength, and recovery. It's clinically shown to help users build lean muscle in just 6 weeks, outperforming regular whey protein. It combines 30 g of whey protein with 3 g of creatine in one scoop. This unique formula eliminates the need for extra supplements, also containing 6.6 g BCAAs in each serving. Nitro-Tech has earned a rare 20-year U.S. government patent. This recognizes its unparalleled formula, a testament to its effectiveness. The product is microfiltered to remove unwanted fat and carbs. It features Enzoplex, a powerful enzyme complex to enhance protein digestion. MuscleTech partnered with top flavor innovators. The taste is designed to be a rewarding experience, redefining performance with high-quality ingredients. What we like. This product combines whey protein and creatine in one scoop, simplifying your supplement routine. It's clinically proven to help build lean muscle mass. If you are looking for a convenient and effective supplement to boost your muscle growth, you should consider it. What people say. High-quality creatine. This powder contains pure micronized creatine monohydrate, which is known for its effectiveness in enhancing muscle recovery and building strength. Being unflavored, it mixes easily with any beverage or shake without altering the taste. The micronized form ensures better solubility and absorption, making it more effective and easier on your stomach. Number 2. Naked Creatine Monohydrate Powder, 500 g. Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? This is 100% pure micronized creatine monohydrate. It's designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. This product contains only one ingredient, 100% pure micronized creatine monohydrate. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and soy-free. You can trust in its purity. This creatine monohydrate supplement is the highest grade available. It's made to the highest standards, ensuring you get the best results possible. Tired of clumpy creatine? This formula dissolves quickly in water or your favorite beverage. It mixes easily, so you can get straight to your workout. This creatine monohydrate allows for fast absorption. It enhances gains, boosts strength, and increases your training capacity. Experience the difference. This product contains no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. It's all about pure creatine monohydrate. Fuel your body the right way. What we like. This creatine is made with only one ingredient, 100% pure micronized creatine monohydrate. It dissolves quickly and contains no additives, making it a clean choice. If you like a simple, pure, and effective creatine supplement, you should choose this. What people say. My muscles are operating on a high level and my endurance has increased. This creatine is pure, no BS, no taste, no scent, which is good. Good ingredients, no side effects. Really good quality and mixes well in water. Number 1. Jacked Factory Creatine Plus Glutamine, Muscle Support. This dynamic duo of creatine and glutamine maximizes your workout results. It supports muscle recovery and reduces muscular fatigue, ultimately enhancing strength gains and promoting lean muscle mass. Worried about bloating? This blend includes gut-friendly glutamine. It helps prevent the digestive discomfort some experience with creatine, so you can experience maximum results without bloating. Fuel your workouts with 5 g of creatine monohydrate. It enhances muscle strength and power. Experience increased energy levels, allowing you to push through intense training sessions and lift heavier weights. This formula features 5 g of fermented L-glutamine in every serving. It reduces muscle soreness and promotes faster recovery. By replenishing glycogen stores, it supports improved endurance, allowing you to train longer and recover faster. All Jacked Factory products are manufactured under stringent quality control standards. This ensures proper purity and potency. The formula is completely free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial food dyes. What we like. This product combines creatine with glutamine for enhanced muscle recovery and gut health. It helps to reduce bloating and supports increased energy during workouts. If you are looking for a supplement that supports both muscle growth and gut health, you should consider this. What people say. Made with clean products if compared with others in the market. Doesn't have any flavor, and dissolves easily, so is easy to add to your daily diet such as water, smoothies, or any beverages. It is helping me to achieve my goals during workouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.